how to log into Paramount Plus and fix login error. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to log into Paramount Plus, you could use a standard credentials or an activation code depending on your device. So basically, if you're using an app, you could install it from your app store, and if you're using the browser, you could simply go to any browser, type in Paramount Plus on the web address bar. So now then, you will be taken to their official page. Simply tap onto the first link that pops up, and you just have to go ahead and enter in either your activation code or your credential. That means your email ID or your password. So once you enter in that, and if you find you're not able to log in or it shows incorrect credentials, login error, something like that, so you might want to double check your password. So first of all, you could simply press onto the I button right next to the password field and make sure to check whether there is any sort of typos or not. And if the password seems to be valid and you're still having issue, you might want to check your email as well, or else you might want to make sure to go ahead and look for any sort of extensions or VPN that you're connected to. So for that, you just want to make sure to swipe from the very top, and you could see I am currently using VPN. So you might want to make sure to go ahead and disable that, and at the same time make sure to refresh your connections, long press the internet, and you could go ahead and toggle the button, maybe use mobile data or cellular data, or maybe connect to a stable internet. That can also help you out. So these are common ways you could fix your login error. Or otherwise, if you're using a browser, then you could simply go ahead and tap on the three dot at the very top. You could go to delete browsing data and make sure to delete all of these, and this is also going to help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.